Hey guys, welcome to iDevil Creations, and today we're going to let Google pick again. Alright guys, so today we're going to do the Stratus pen kit. Wow, focus. We have a black enamel, gunmetal, 24 karat, and chrome. And it's not like it's plated 24 karat, I guess. And then right up here we have 6 different blanks. So we're gonna go 1 through 6 and then 1 through 4. So let's ask Google what it is suggesting today. Okay, Google, pick a number 1 through 4.
4.
4. Chrome. Okay, Google, pick a number 1 through 6.
Here's a random number. 3.
3. All right, so I think this is like a red and navy. Red swirl with a chrome. That'll look good. That will look good. All right, let's get this in the lathe and yeah. All right, guys. So 30 days, 30 pins. A lot of work for me. I bit off more than I could chew. So I'm not gonna stop making videos though. We're gonna keep making videos. I'm gonna try to push out as many as I can. I have a full-time job, so making a video and editing it and doing everything is a lot of work. So like I said, I bit off more than I could chew, but I'm gonna admit it. So you notice I'm not making videos, get on me. So all right, let's get this turned up. Oh, and by the way, to everybody that's subscribed and been liking the videos, thank you very much. If you guys haven't subscribed, please do. It helps the channel. Lets me know what I'm doing you like. And like the videos too. That also lets me know that you like what I'm doing. So, all right. I will see you at the lathe here in a minute. Alright guys, that was weird right as I was trying to do the sanding and the polishing. I have a breaker going bad in the shop, so I'm going to have to get that replaced at some point. But she's all done, looking beautiful. Like that one, it has like that little bit of like silvering. It's really pretty looking. Alright. Let's see, how do we want this? Right there. Yeah, I think that looks good. Nice and tight. Push that back up there. There we go. Remember guys, let me know what you guys would like to see me make. Leave a comment down below and I'll make it. I like making what you guys want to see. So that goes right up in here. And that goes there. Wow, this is a pretty sharp looking pin kit. I really like that. Oh, that's nice. What do you guys think of that? That looks pretty good. I thought it was gonna be red, but I mean, I guess it is still a little red. But a lot of like the super glue is kind of making it look kind of cool underneath all that, like stone almost. I don't know, I like it. You guys see that like little pearl in there? It's like right there. In person, it's just like pops really hard. But I'm happy with this one. I like this little kit. So, alrighty. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. And peace. I will see you guys later. Alright. Bye.